Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Roblox application is not launching on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First is restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Now why do you need to restart? Because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows, including all the programs of your Windows. So after you have restarted, launch the Roblox player, and if it is launching this time, then good. But if not, simply move to the next methods. In the Windows search bar, simply open any of your favorite browser. Then type here status.roblox.com. Hit enter. Now you will find here the Roblox server status. So if it states right here that all systems operational, well, good. But if not, simply wait for this until it became all systems operational. And once done, just simply close this. Then locate your Roblox player desktop icon. Now make a right click, select Run as Administrator. Also, run the application as an administrator or running the application as an administrator. This will let you open the application. So as you can see, it has been opened. Just simply click on Sign In right here and then enter your credentials, your account, your username, and your password and click on Sign In and enjoy the game. We also need to make sure that if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, we are going to disable it because this might block the application from launching. So click on the Show Hidden Icons in the taskbar. So here you can find I'm using the Malwarebytes. Simply make a right-click, select Quit Malwarebytes. Click on the Windows Security icon too. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down and you'll find Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Turn off the real-time protection and then launch the application. And after it has been launched and open, just simply enable that again because that is a very important security of your Windows. We also need to make sure there are no proxy enabled in our Windows. So in the Windows search bar, type Proxy Settings. Click on it under the best match. Make sure that automatically detect settings. The button is switched on. For the manual proxy setup, click on Setup. If this is enabled right here, simply click on Turn Off and click on Save. Then once done, close this. We also need to make sure this for the LAN. So type here Internet Options. Click on it under the best match. Now the internet properties will be up. Click on the Connections tab. Here you'll find Local Area Network LAN Settings. Click on it. Make sure automatically detect settings. The button is checked. Proxy server uses proxy server for your LAN. Do not check this box. Click on OK and click on OK again. We also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is not outdated. So simply make a right click at the Start button. Select Device Manager in the list of options. Now here in the Device Manager window, locate the display adapter. So yes, this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Simply make a right click, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. And do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click Windows Update. And click this button right here. So this will download and install all the latest updates for your Windows. And once you're up to date, simply close this and restart your Windows. And after that, launch the game. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then look for the Roblox player. Click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now once uninstalled, simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Type here, Roblox, download, hit enter. Scroll down and you'll find from www.roblox.com, the official website of Roblox. Click on that. Click on Download Windows app. The installer file will be downloaded. Click on that. close the Edge browser, and this will reinstall Roblox, so let's just wait for this. So now it has been reinstalled and Roblox is launching and opening this time. So simply click on sign in and enter your credentials right here and then enjoy the game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.